taking a video because Sir Salvador is not observing. Tapos na.
Mental health is a level of psychological well-being or an absence of a mental health disorder. It determines how people handle stress, socialize with others, and come up with decisions and choices.
Yes, mental health is how an individual handles stress and socialize to other people. Okay, so now let's try to dig deeper on what are the two or sub topics of mental health. We have here first, okay, the psychological well-being. What do you think is psychological well-being? Let's have Astillio.
It's good for psychological per se, often affected with habit. Involved po yung feelings ng habit.
Okay, thank you very much. So, psychological well-being is under mental health, wherein an individual, this talks about an individual level of the level of the intellectual capacity of an individual. It is also how people perceive, share information that they gather from maybe from their environment or kahit anong source pa yan. Okay, so now let's try to see what are the dimensions of psychological well-being or what are those types or under psychological well-being. Firstly, we have self-acceptance. Maya Christopher, can you please read what is self-acceptance?
Self-acceptance is a feature of well-being that refers to accepting your flaws, accepting that the fact that no one is perfect, avoiding unreasonable self-criticisms, and looking for ways to fix it.
Yes, can you please finish that? And explain what is self-acceptance.
Embracing your self-imperfections and being self-confident about yourself, about your flaws.
Yes, very good. It is where you accept yourself, the changes that happen in yourself, and also you embrace the flaws that is within you. Because if you embrace your flaws, of course, that makes you perfect. Pero, alam naman natin walang perfect. Pero at least, yes. And, okay, I have a question. Why is it important to accept ourselves? Bakit nga ba? Bakit? Ba't kailangan natin tanggapin si self? Yes. Ella. Yes. And self-acceptance is the key to your personality. Now, can someone explain this again? Or I read it first. Hint.
Personal growth. This pertains to the capacity to develop one's personality and identity, cultivate abilities, and or helpful skills in order to achieve dreams.
Okay, can you please elaborate what is
Just as the previous well-being, which is the this refers to the as you age, just like a fine wine, you start to develop, improve all your skills and strengthen what is weak and further improve what is already strong. Because that is what people will know about you, and that is how you develop much more skills to be used in the future businesses.
Now, what do you think are the ways for you to improve or for you to develop? Brandon, can you give me
proving yourself to everyone that you can do your best.
Yes, very good. Self-confidence. Okay, now let's have the next. This is the purpose in life. I know familiar na kayo dito since we tackled this one in your topic affirmations, right? Yes. What is your purpose in life? Or we should say that this answers the question why. Why are you here? Why are you studying? O bakit? Can you share it to me? Why? Why are you here?
What?
Why are you studying?
What time did you...
Siyempre, magulang eh.
You talk to him.
Napilipak sila yun sa buhay.
And that is oy! Purpose ba yan? Ano?
Can take a picture na lang later.
How about the others? Anong purpose mo? No me. What is your purpose in life? What is Okay. Thank you very much. So, purpose in life, ito yung parang tinatanong mo. Yes. Yung parang inspiration mo kung bakit ka nandito. Kung ginagawa mo ang isang bagay, bakit mo ba ginagawa isang bagay? Kasi may purpose ka. Okay. Now, next is environmental mastery. Ano nga ba ang environmental mastery? Okay. Can we have, dito naman tayo. Can we have can you explain what is environmental mastery?
Environmental mastery comprises the knowledge and skills to control and deal with the world or the surrounding environment without being overpowered by difficulties and stress. Wherein in
Are you sick?
environmental mastery,
Are you sick? Because of the weather. What time did you arrive? A while ago. You said you did go to the immigration.
About here?
Yeah.
So, ilan? Ilan?
11.
yun nga po, it said that the surrounding environment without being overpowered by difficulties and stresses. So, huwag kang magpapa-overpower sa stress and you should dapat ikaw po yung kumontrol sa mga environment mo para hindi ka ma-overpower ng stress and difficulties.
Okay, thank you very much. How what is environmental mastery? This is how an individual handles the
12.
face or the stress
Yes.
that is caused by the environment.
This is the personal
But,
development
of course,
class.
para ma-handle or para ma-overcome yung problem na you need to be observant. Diba? Sabi nga natin na maging observant.
I thought you had grade 12 and grade 11 also in Indonesia.
Roland, bakit kailangan natin maging observant? Bakit? Para maka-adjust, maka-adapt doon sa environment, and this will help you also to socialize to other people. Now let's have the next one.
go, tomorrow, are you going to stay from 8 until 5 p.m.? To so many activities. How about your topics?
Okay na?
I already have my so I'm going to be starting my lesson tomorrow.
You will, what do you call this? You will not make a draft, you will direct to it.
Of life
I
that you
will
decide something for
like
yourself.
focus.
Hindi ka na nagre-rely sa mga parents mo because you are old enough to do or to make or to decide your own decision. Parang magsisika na lang ng advice kung tama ba yung gagawin mo, kung makakabuti ba to para sa'yo. Okay? So the last one is this. Positive relations with others. Other hand. Marcelo. Positive relations with others.
This stands for the ability to build trusting relationships with others. Individuals with positive relations with others are concerned to empathy with and affection to others.
Can you please explain what is positive relations with others?
To me, positive relation with others connected to psychological
Alright, so positive relations with others is how an individual builds relationships with other people. And this is
psycho.
Okay, so, ano sa tingin niyo ang psychosis? Ano yung pagkakaiba niya sa depression? Tumulong sa'yo. Yung parang may context, may umaano na sa isip mo. Meron si self, oo. Basta yung parang may tumulong sa'yo na may nagsasabi ng mundo. Yan. Yan ang sinasabi nilang psychotic. Parang, and in this stage, kailangan mo na magpa-consult. Psychology. Okay? So that is psychotic. Alright. Now, how about the next one? Eating disorder. Tama, oo. Pag stress ka, hoping nila mo kumain. Pero yung level ng ano mo, ng pagkain mo, hindi na siya normal. Kain ng kain ng kain, walang katapusang kain hanggang sa, yan. Ganyan na. Disorder. Eating disorder. Okay. Oo, meron din yung hindi kumakain dahil nasa stress ka, sa depress ka. That is alright, how about developmental? Please judge.
Thank you.
These are problems or disorders in the developmental disorders include autism, attention deficit, hyperactivity disorder, and
Okay, so developmental disorders are the people or the person na artistic, very artistic, na way na creative sila pagdating sa art. Pansin nyo yung mga may autism. Sila pa yung nag-excel sa mga arts, paintings, and sa mga may ADHD. At yung mga may tao, ito yung tao, sa tingin nyo normal, yung pagkano-gano, or yung mga mannerisms. Nakakita na ba kayo ng may ADHD? Nakakita na kayo? Ng may taong ito? ADHD. Ano yung mga ano nyo? Okay, so actually these are the person na delayed yung pag-iisip nila. Say for example, 13 years old na sila pero yung pag-iisip pa lang nila nasa 5 to 7 years old. Pero nakakapalo sila. Huwag nyo silang i-judge ha. Yung mga boys yan, pag may nakikita ano,
Mga boys agad. Boys agad.
oo, pero hindi yung mga memorism, mas magaling. Basta magaling sila sa mga different aspects ng ano nila. Yes, and that is developmental disorder. And for the last one, we have behavioral disorder. Please refer to the text in the related behaviors of autism.
I guess you have to buy medicine. I guess you have to buy medicine for cough.
Okay, so what do we mean when we say behavioral? Has something to do with the individual's behavior, emotion, feelings. And, tingnan niyo dito. Paano tong disorder na to? Can someone explain? Kalusa. Pwede rin to. Tapos yung galit ka, tapos sa iba mo binupunto. Thank you.